Are you ready to transfer or move your existing business to a new state without dissolving that business and while maintaining your existing federal employer identification number, credit history, contracts, and in most cases, the business name? At Cummings and Cummings Law, we make this process seamless and efficient. In this short video, I will explain how redomestication works, what redomestication is, and why it is often the best option, and further, how we can assist you to accomplish this for a flat fee in most cases. First, a brief introduction. My name is Chad Cummings, and I am an attorney and certified public accountant serving clients in matters of business, tax, and commercial law throughout the great states of Florida and Texas. Though lately, much of the work in my law firm has been devoted to assisting clients in moving or transferring their existing businesses from out of state. I also teach business law at Florida Gulf Coast University and hold 4 degrees, including 2 law degrees and a variety of tax, financial, and accounting credentials, which I apply in my law practice for the benefit of my clients. Let's start with a simple working definition. First, what is redomestication? There is a great deal of misleading information about this process, so we need to level set and start with a basic definition. Redomestication, also known as changing the state of domicile or redomiciling, is a statutory process that allows an existing business, which might be a corporation, including a subchapter S entity, a limited liability company or LLC, or even a partnership, to transfer its legal home, also referred to as the state of domicile, to a new state, such as Florida or Texas, via a mechanism of conversion without dissolving, merging, or forming a new distinct legal entity. This is not a workaround. It is an established procedure authorized by state and federal law. During the redomestication process, the business can usually continue its day-to-day activities uninterrupted. Unlike a merger, which is a separate and distinct legal process, redomestication avoids the complexity, tax implications, ambiguity, and continuity risks of combining 2 separate legal entities. When executed correctly, redomestication is also a non-taxable event, meaning that unlike a dissolution, or in some cases even a merger gone wrong, it will not trigger a hefty tax bill or in fact any tax bill from the Federal Internal Revenue Service. While every situation is different, the average timeline for completing a redomestication is approximately 3 months, though often less and sometimes slightly more. However, this process is highly dependent upon the responsiveness and backlogs of the secretaries of state. Some jurisdictions process quickly, others may require additional follow-up or experience delays, which of course I handle for my clients during the process. For this reason, I advise business owners to start early and to work with experienced counsel in this niche area of law. Many well-intentioned but underinformed attorneys and CPAs do not fully understand the nuances of this redomestication process, and sadly, some do not know that it exists at all. Within the last 2 years, my law firm has handled well over 100 of these redomestications and counting. We have several underway right now with a 100% success rate. Finally, and I hate to even bring this up, but it is important to emphasize that redomestication is a complex legal procedure which, if performed incorrectly, can result in the inadvertent termination or dissolution of your existing business legal entity with potentially catastrophic legal and tax consequences. That is to say, if you make a mistake in attempting to handle the process yourself, it will regrettably take far longer and cost far more to resolve than if you and I had worked together from the outset. If you are ready to begin the process of transferring your existing business while maintaining your federal employer identification number, contracts, credit history, and in most cases, the name of your business, visit one of the special websites that I have created. For those wishing to move their business to Florida, visit www.movetoflorida.law, not .com, but .law. And for those contemplating a move to the Lone Star State, visit www.movetotexas.law. You also have the option of scheduling a telephone consultation with me at no charge and with no commitment before you start the process to ensure that this is the right procedure for your unique needs. Again, my name is Chad Cummings, and I hope that you found this short video informative. And I further look forward to the opportunity to speak with and perhaps even work together very soon.